low-key obsessed with the shape. I think I went slightly overboard. Okay, whatever. It's fine, right? It's fine. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Sorry about the aggressive words. Seriously. Anyways, we're gonna continue with this video, and as you can see from the title, I'm going to be recreating the Alexa Demie makeup look. So yeah, without any further ado, let's go. I've already done my base, although I'm breaking out right now. It's okay, and I've put like a light eyeshadow on my eyes as a base, and I've kind of straightened out my brow. Although it's a bit messy, it's fine. It's not going to be the center of this look. I'm going to be doing the green part of the eyeshadow now. I think it will be convenient if I just hold this small mirror. This is a MAC in the Glades green palette. So I'm taking the emerald green shade in this palette, and so it starts from here. That's a good line. The curved part has to be the thickest. Okay, I'm going to do it on this eye. It's so much harder to do this because of my semi-hooded eyes, but I'm trying here. I have to do it above my crease because my actual eyelid space is little to nothing. So I took an angle brush next and darkened the line. I think this is as symmetrical as it's gonna get. Low-key obsessed with the shape. Okay, now the fun part. I'm gonna take a light green shade and put that all over my lid to prep for the green shimmer. I'm going to do a green and gold mixture. Be careful that you're patting it and not rubbing it, otherwise you get fallout. Already did our base, so we can't afford fallout. Okay, I'm happy with that. Then I'm wetting my brush and taking the shimmery green from the same palette, shimmer green, and applying that on my lips. Okay, this isn't cutting it. Then I'm going to be taking this one from Makeup Revolution. I'm on top of it. Then I'm taking a yellow gold shade and applying that on the center. I'm going to take that green shade, apply it above the crease. So the eyes, the top half of the eyes are basically done. I'm just gonna get some products I forgot to get and be right back. Now we're gonna do concealer. So I'm taking my MAC Spotlight Ready Concealer in Nutcracker. On my nose, just some to clean this line a bit, and now we blend. This is my new brush. This is the e.l.f. buffing brush. Now I'm just setting that with some powder, like a light banana powder. Then we're gonna do some quick thin wings, like really basic. make sure to extend the inner corner. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to be taking some white liner and putting that on my waterline, but thick. This thing made it so much easier. I think I went slightly overboard. Okay, whatever. I'm just going to outline that with black liner. Be really careful. Kind of messed this up, but it's fine. It's fine, right? It's fine. Okay. Now I'm gonna take some mascara and apply that. Okay. Now I'm going to apply some bronzer. Then I'm just gonna slightly do a soft nose contour. Then I'm going to be taking a light eyeshadow to highlight my inner tear duct and tip of my nose. Then I'm taking some blush and applying that on the apples. Higher actually. Just higher. Applying the highlighter on the highest point of my cheek. And then we're just gonna line my lips. She's wearing a nude lip, so we're gonna do that. I put my Wet n Wild chestnut lip liner, and now I'm putting my Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in 04. I'm just setting my face now. And I'm gonna do some final touches, and we're gonna be right back. And this is it. This is the finished Alexa Demies tutorial. I know it's not the best because I don't have the green glitter, but I tried my best. I think it's pretty cute. What do you think? Definitely out of my comfort zone. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe. I know it wasn't chatty, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!